Make a great choice today with the 2008 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.